Okay, now remember, the time machine is not a toy, okay? We can't just go wherever we want, or else we might completely change the space-time continuum. We got the time machine for one reason, right?
To see what Coke tasted like in the 50s.
To see what Coke... You know what? No. Okay, maybe it's better if you just don't use the time machine, okay, buddy? I have to go get us some supplies for our journey. Just don't touch it. Don't go anywhere, okay? I trust you.
Coke in the 50s. Huh? Tastes like a regular Coke, but with a hint of racism.
Hello, friend. I got us them supplies.
What'd you get?
Oh, you know, the essentials.
You know, I gotta say, I know you didn't want me to go back in time, but I did, and nothing seems to have changed.
You don't say.
Why are you dressed like that?
Oh, what's happening? Where is your government-mandated clown suit?
Why would I need a government-mandated clown suit?
What, have you been living under a banana peel for 30 years? Ever since McDonald's won the election, they've been keeping a strict clown-only policy. You'd be killed if they caught you without yours on.
They'd shoot me for not having a clown suit on?
No. They would just keep making you slip on banana peels until you knock yourself out.
That doesn't sound so
Then
bad.
they shoot you. Point blank.
Wow, what a cruel world.
Gosh, it's the police! Opening dopity up!
I'm getting out of here! Okay, Mountain Dew. Maybe you'll change things back to normal.
Oh, thank God. I thought you'd gone me on my back and gone back in time.
I wouldn't do that.
Good.
Hey! No! What the hell was that?
Just saying hello.
Just say hello then.
Yeah, I suppose you want a handshake with that too, you perv. Now come over here and kiss me like a man.
No!
Hello, people of the world. I am Jesus, and I have returned to end all mankind's suffering.
Oh man, Sprite? Should have checked what I grabbed. I'm going back for Pepsi. Okay, Pepsi. You are my lucky soda. Maybe you can change the world back to the way it should be. Oh, it's so good to be home.
Hey, you didn't mess with the time machine, did you?
No.
Good. Whew. Because, you know, I was thinking...
Yeah.
We probably shouldn't use the time machine.
Yes.
It's just too much power for us.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What do you say we destroy this puppy?
Yes.
We should probably get our clown suits back on.